Angular or React? One feels like climbing a mountain and others like a smooth ride. But which one is more challenging? Stick till the end and I will break it down with tips to kickstart your coding journey. When deciding whether Angular is more challenging than React, it's important to consider their structure, learning curves, and use cases. Both are popular for front-end development, but they cater to different needs and skills. Both are super popular for building awesome websites, but they are like different flavor of ice creams. One might be easier to snoop. Let's find out which one is easier to learn. First up, the learning curve. How fast you can start coding. React is your friendly neighborhood JavaScript library. If you know some basic JavaScript, you can jump in and build cool components in no time. It's a library, so you can focus on small pieces and see results fast. But Angular, it's a full-on framework from Google, and it uses TypeScript, which is like JavaScript with extra rules. You'll need to learn stuff like modules and dependency injection. Sounds scary, right? Angular's steeper curve can feel overwhelming for beginners. So for newbies, React usually wins here. But don't count Angular out yet. Let's talk about features. Angular is like a Swiss Army knife. It's got everything built in. Routing, forms, testing tools. That's great for big projects. But for beginners, it's like getting a spaceship when you need just a bike. All those tools can make your head spin. React, on other hand, it's simpler. It's just for building user interface. So you can start small. Want more features? You add libraries like React Router. This pick and choose vibe is perfect for learning step by step, though you might need to Google a bit to find the right tools. React's flexibility makes it easier to start, but Angular structure is awesome once you get hang of it. Next, community support. Crucial for beginners. Both Angular and React have huge communities. React's might have a slight edge with more tutorials and Stack Overflow answers. Perfect when you are stuck at 2 a.m. Angular's community is strong too, especially for enterprise stuff. But React's popularity means you will find more beginner-friendly guides. So, is Angular tougher than React? For beginner, yep, React's simpler, safe, and JavaScript focus make it easier choice. Angular is powerful, but its TypeScript and complexity are like level 2 of a game you are still learning. My advice? Start with React to build confidence, then try Angular for bigger project. Wanna start now? Build your first app with React. It's a fun and quick. If you want to know which is better for you between Angular and React in 2025, then watch this video. I will see you in the next video.